Hello everyone, my name is Nitesh and we are back with another Friday coffee session um, for this week. So today I thought to pick up a topic which is very fascinating, which seemed very fascinating to me, and we are using it with our clients as well. We are using this technique with our clients as well, and a lot of other startups or B2B SaaS also using the same technique. So how are they basically satisfying multiple audiences? We'll deep dive into this. So let's go. Audience, when I say audience, I mean you email a lot of prospective customers. You add personalization. Whenever you are doing a webinar, you basically take someone's name. For example, if you are attending a webinar, and if the presenter takes your name, you feel a little special. The presenter basically, by just taking your name, he makes you feel special. That is one level of personalization. But SaaS websites, basically you have a product and it can be used for multiple audiences. I mean, your audiences, you have different personas of your audience might be from different industries. And your website is the selling point. So how you can be so let's see how you can modify your website, or what are some things that you can add to your website to satisfy all those personas and people who are coming from different industries, or if your product basically satisfy different industry needs. Let's take an example here. Let's talk about a CRM. Salesforce have taken an example, and CRM, a banker also needs a CRM, and an event management person also needs a CRM. Now, if both of them are coming to your website, and would you describe Salesforce same way to both banker and event manager? Though both are coming for a similar such solution, both are coming for a same solution. No, right? Because the need of banker will be a hell lot of different than the need of an event manager for CRM. Um, so Salesforce does this thing perfectly well. Salesforce basically has customized, or has customized its website by need, by industry. So if I am basically, I need a software for marketing, I need a software for analytics, I need a software for learning, I need a software for sales. Salesforce basically shows how I can use Salesforce for all these needs, how Salesforce as a software can basically satisfy all these needs. Or if I am in a different industry, if I am in a financial service industry, if I am in a public sector industry, if I am in a manufacturing industry, I mean, this basically makes me so happy. Salesforce is talking about my industry. If I'm in manufacturing industry, of course, I would go and check how Salesforce can help me, or how Salesforce can help me in public sector. Um, Salesforce basically has categorized its software by need and by industry. Now, what are the benefits Salesforce might get, or what are the benefits Salesforce is getting by categorizing its product into by industry, by need? Let's look more into it. So, what does Salesforce gain by categorizing, or by basically showing the same product to multiple audiences? One, Salesforce basically, if I am a customer, Salesforce basically lure me into an entire customer journey that is tailored to my needs and my problems. So for example, if I'm in a banking space and I face A, B, C, D problems, Salesforce basically, from that page, Salesforce is basically talking about that, and all those pain points, and how Salesforce can basically alleviate those pain points for me. So, and while I was checking the SEMrush, I found out that such pages basically gets 4,000 visits a month, more than 4,000 visits a month. Banking CRM, healthcare CRM, when people enter these queries, Salesforce pages comes up. So if you assume, let's assume that they are getting 4,000 visits a month, and if you multiply it with 12 months, they get 48,000 visits on these pages alone. Now let's assume 2% of these visitors converts, that is 960 new customers, whopping 960 new customers. So think about how these pages are basically helping Salesforce make such huge revenue. Then the second benefit, now okay, just 2% of these visitors converted, but there is so huge visitor base or so huge lead list that didn't convert. So what Salesforce does is they run remarketing ads and they show content tailored to them. For example, if I'm in a banking industry or I'm in a manufacturing industry, I visited Salesforce manufacturing page. Now Salesforce knows that, hey, this person visited manufacturing page. That means he has something to do with manufacturing industry. So when I go to my Facebook, when I go to my LinkedIn, when I go to my any other social media, Facebook will basically amplify or show me those niche specific case studies, those manufacturing specific case studies. Salesforce basically will show me those use cases. Salesforce basically will show me those testimonials, niche specific testimonials, and that's how basically it benefits. So I would say that having such industry specific landing pages for your audiences is a B2B equivalent of hearing your own name, which makes you feel special, which makes you feel connected with that particular software. Let me share more example on how other industries are doing it or how other SaaS softwares are doing it. Let's take an example of Workflow Max. Workflow Max is basically a zero product, a zero Xerox company's product. Zero product. And if I go to customers and I'll see, hey, I can, if I'm in a if I'm a creative agency, I can use this product. If I'm an architect, I can use this product. If I'm a business consultant, I can use this product. IT services, I can use this product. Let's say I'm a creative agency and I want to know how Workflow Max is basically helping me or can help me. So they basically exactly they talk about what kind of problem the creative agencies face, problem with quoting, with document management, time tracking, and how Workflow Max basically is solving all these problems. And then they are talking about how they have shown here niche specific case studies, niche specific testimonials, how basically Workflow Max has solved Ian's problem. Then what are some integrations that as a creative agency, how I can integrate Workflow Max with my other softwares that I might be using, HubSpot, I might be using Dropbox, how I can integrate Workflow Max with these softwares. And then the pricing just for me here, just for the agency, just for creative agency here. And then of course they have specific feature guides. Same thing we have also done with our clients as well. Just giving you an example of Triangle IP here. We basically talk about how you can use Triangle IP for various other customers. You can use Triangle IP for startups, you can use Triangle IP for enterprise, you can use Triangle IP for individual inventors, you can use Triangle IP for patent practitioners, and all these pages basically they give different solutions, or product is the same, but how our product is helping their pain points. These pages answers that. So this is how you can also modify your website. You can add those industry verticals, those need verticals. You can add various pages, how your software is trying to solve problem for various industries, for various needs. And you can get you can basically come in front of people who are trying to search for their solutions, trying to search solutions for their problems. I hope this short video helps. Let us know if you have implemented this strategy, what results you felt, and let us know in case you need our help in implementing this strategy. You can book a call with me. I'll be sharing a link in the description below. Have a good weekend. Thank you. We'll meet next week. Till then, bye bye.